Hello, we are going to be continuing to practice the method of adding by making 10 today, still using those number bonds, and we're going to still be starting with the number 9, just to get that extra practice in. So our very first number sentence is exactly 9 add 5. So what do I need to do first? I need to put on 9 red counters, and I've got my 9 down here as well. Let me turn my laser pointer on. There we go. I've got my 9 here. So I need to put on 9 red counters onto my tens frame. What do I need to do next? Exactly. I need to write my 5 into my box, and then I need to put on 5 more counters. Should I put on 5 extra red counters? Why not? Exactly, I want to put on 5 yellow counters so that I can see the difference between the two numbers. So I've got 9, add 5. I've written that down here as well. Now this is where my number bonds can help me. I can see here that I filled an entire tens frame. So then I can see that I've got my 9, add 1 equals 10. So I have made 10 by 9 add 1. So I've partitioned my 5 using the 1 to make the 10. And so on my other tens frame, I have 4. So I've partitioned my 5 into 1 and 4. So I know that I have made 10 on one tens frame, and then I have 4 more on my other tens frame. So then I can put in my head 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good job. 9 add 5 equals 14. So 10 add 4 equals 14. Let's have a go at another one. Okay, read me my number sentence out loud. My number sentence is 9 add 8. So what am I going to start off with first? I've written my 9 into my box and I'm going to put on 9 counters. Then I am going to put my 8 into my next box. So I've got 9 add 8. And I'm going to put on 8 yellow counters. There they are. Now again, I can see that I filled an entire tens frame. So to make that 10, I can think about my number bonds. I had 9, add 1. 9 add 1 equals 10. But then I partitioned my 8 because I ran out of space, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on my other tens frame, because we know that 1 add 7, they also equals 8, doesn't it? So to make my 10, I had 1 and 9 equals 10. I know that there's 10 here, so 10 add 7 is 17. So we have 9 add 8 equals 17. So 10 add 7 equals 17. Okay, last one. My number sentence is 9 add 9 equals. I've written my 9 down here. What do I need to do next? Now I need to put on my 9 red counters. Then what should I do? I'm going to write 9 in my next box, and then I'm going to put on 9 more counters, but in yellow so that I can see the difference. Okay, I want to see how I've filled up the tens frame, so I'm going to use my number bonds. 9 add what equals 10? 9 add 1 equals 10. Good job. So I've partitioned my 9 with 1 onto one side of my tens frame. And how many do I have on my other side of my other tens frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've partitioned my 9 into 1 and 8. Now I know that I have 10 on this tens frame because it's completely full, and then I have 8 more, so I can count on 10 add 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 9 add 9 equals 18. So 10 add 8 equals 18. Great job! I think that you're ready to go have a go on the sheets. There's 4 different ones that you could pick from. So if you're feeling very confident, then you could pick one of the top 2. But if you think that you could do with a little bit more practice and a little bit more help, then pick one of the green or the yellow one. Good luck. Speak to you tomorrow.